In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Wix account step by step using GoDaddy's interface. Whether you're a newcomer to website building or just need a refresher, this guide will help you through the process with clear and concise instructions. First, you'll want to start by signing into your GoDaddy account. Head over to GoDaddy's site, enter your login details, and click to access your account dashboard. Once you're inside, move your cursor over to the top right corner and click on your profile, which is represented by a small icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select My Products. It's here where you'll find a list of all the domains you've registered with GoDaddy. Next, locate the domain you want to connect to Wix and click on Manage. This action will take you to a page that provides various options regarding your domain management. Here, you'll see an email that you need to copy as it's essential for the connection process with Wix. Make sure you have it ready as we move forward. Now, let's shift our attention to the Wix app. Open Wix and log into your account if you aren't already. Once inside, you'll need to select the website you intend to connect the domain to. After you've selected your website, look for the Connect Domain button and give it a click. You'll be prompted to paste the domain you copied earlier from GoDaddy. Do that, and then click Let's Go to proceed to the next steps. You'll see an option to start the connection process, so go ahead and click on Start twice as prompted in the subsequent screens. With that done, it's time to switch back to GoDaddy. We need to adjust some settings to finalize the connection. In your GoDaddy dashboard, go back to Manage the Domain and click on View Domain Settings. You're looking for the DNS section, so click on DNS. You might need to scroll down a bit to reach the name servers section. Once there, you'll have an option to change your name servers. Click on it. From here, select Connect My Domain to a website I've built, and then enter My Own Name Servers, Advanced. You'll need to copy the Wix name servers, so make sure to have those details handy. Once copied, head back to the GoDaddy settings you left open and paste them into the Edit Name Servers fields. Don't forget to hit Save after pasting. An additional step here would be to click on Continue to move forward. Now return once more and verify the connection. On Wix, you'll find an option labeled Track Domain Status. Click on it to check the progress. Finally, be patient and allow 24 to 48 hours for the connection process to fully complete and propagate. Congratulations! You have successfully linked your GoDaddy domain to your Wix website. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.